Hello, welcome to Code Plus. My name is Riya Datta and this is the fourth session of C++ tutorial. In this video, we are going to write our first C++ program and used FC++ as an IDE where we can write, edit, compile and run our programs. To save the file, we use .cpp extension. As printing Hello World is the lucky code for programmers, we are going to start with it. And it's also the simplest program. The GitHub link of the code is in the description below. Now I'm gonna code and let you understand every line and terminologies. The first line is called comment line. A comment is used to display additional information about the code. A comment does not contain any programming logic, it is just our English language. When a comment is encountered, the compiler simply skips the line of code. Also, if you have any coding line that you don't want compiler to run it, just comment it out. We can use / at the beginning of any line for single line comment. And for multiple line comments, we can add our comments between /* and */ like this. And the second line contains #include iostream. In C++, every lines that starts with hash are called directives and are processed by preprocessor, which is a program invoked by the compiler. The #include directive tells the compiler to include a file, and #include iostream informs the compiler to include the standard input-output file, which contains declarations of all the standard input-output library functions. After that, we write using namespace std. Consider a situation we have two different persons with the same name in the same class. Whenever we need to differentiate them, definitely we would have to use some additional information like their father's or mother's name or their roll number. The same situation can arise in our C++ code. For example, if you might be writing some code that has a function called xyz, and there is another library available which is also having some function named xyz. Now the compiler has no way of knowing which version of xyz function you are referring to within your code. A namespace is designed to overcome the difficulty and is used as additional information to differentiate similar functions, classes, variables, etc. with the same name available in different libraries. Now we are going to write our main function. This is a function which returns data of integer type. So what is a function? A function is a group of statements that are designed to perform a specific task. Execution of every C++ program begins with the main function, no matter where the function is located in the program. So every C++ code must have a main function. The opening braces indicates the beginning of the main function and the closing braces indicates the ending of the main function. And everything between these two indicates the body of the main function. Now we are gonna talking about cout hello world. This line tells the compiler to display the message hello world on the screen. It is a statement in C++. Every statement is meant to perform some task. A semicolon is used to end the statement. everything followed by the character double less than is displayed to the output device. Now the next statement is return 0. It is used to return a value from a function and indicates the finishing of a function. This statement is basically used in functions to return the results of the operations performed by the function. So our code is done here. Now we're gonna save the file. So we are gonna name it first program, and the extension will be .cpp, which is already selected, and you can change the path from here. Now we're gonna save it. The file is saved. Now we will compile and run the program. As you can see, the program prints hello world. So this is all for today's session. Hope you like it. If you have any query, please let us know in the comment below. Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Code Plus. See you in the next video.